So from factory floor to front door, there's a continuous demand for increased automation, and that includes the automation from the autonomous mobile robots and mobile machines. And this is focus of the industry today, the era that which we are living in, very exciting place to be in. And that's the talk of my presentation today, building smarter, safer, and efficient autonomous robots and mobile machines. My name is Manisha Agrawal, and I'm a product marketing manager with Texas Instruments. Today in this presentation, I'll introduce the mobile robots and machines and talk about key challenges and the key care-abouts in developing such an application through the eyes of a system design engineers and a software developer engineer. And finally, we'll be looking through how to develop such application using TI technologies. So let's get started. So from smart home to smart factories and warehouses to smart cities, the autonomous mobile robots and mobile machines are increasing efficiency in all spheres of our life. They are increasing the efficiency in the e-commerce. They are unlocking the productivity in the warehouse and the factories. They are delivering our products to our doorsteps. And they're also doing autonomously mining, excavation, of autonomous harvesting in the agriculture, and making the space safer for human beings. So what are the three key technology needs for developing such an application? The very first need is 3D perception. Like the human beings perceive its environment in 3D space, the machines developed by human also perceive its environment in 3D space. So where it includes just not only understanding the scene, but also the depth, the velocity, and the things around. To complement that, artificial intelligence is really assisting for these robots to perceive its environment more accurately and more intelligently. But for these robots to come out of those environment of the cage to where they were in the cage place and either running guided or fixed, and to come out of that space and coexist with human being, they need to be functionally safe.